Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I'm checking out this new flashlight that I received for viewing purposes. Let me take it out of the box, and I think that it's a really nice flashlight because you get different functions that I think is going to be really useful. We have in here the instruction manual with all the information about it. Okay, we got the main unit right here. As you can see, it has a really nice design. Okay, you have some LEDs in here, other ones in this side, and these glowing bars. Okay, you can hang it. You can place it with a magnet upon any kind of surface, your car or anything, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, you get two different buttons, one for the under flashlight, as you can see. You got three different brightness settings, which I think that it's really nice, and the regular flashlight that also has three different power intensities. Okay, if we long press it, we get different strobe modes, which I think that it's really nice. You can unscrew the back part, okay, so we can take out the battery, which I think that it's really nice. But something that I think that it's great is that you can, well, take this part off and use it as a power bank with a USB-A charging cable to any kind of device, or with the Type-C charging port, you can charge this flashlight, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, I'm gonna set it up right here. We got obviously the USB-A to Type-C charging cable. We get this really nice base that we can screw it right here. Okay, and we can just set it up like this. And we get a carrying bag with two poles, okay, which I think that it's nice. These two also can be assembled up together, and we can use it with also the base, so we can get a longer reach lamp. Okay, you can use it as a night lamp or wherever you need it while you're working in your car or anything, to read a book if you are outside, as you can see. And like that, you get a really high-end lamp, which I think it's really nice. You can still be taken out and assemble it, turn it off, and use it like this. Okay, the flashlight has different modes. You can just press it once, and it's like this. Okay, but we can change it up by double pressing it. As you can see, it changes the mode like a wider angle, which I think that it's really nice. It has this really nice anti-slip design on this side, and well, I think that it's really nice. I'll be testing it out throughout the night this day, and let's see how it works. Come on. This flashlight, it's really nice. It has a 800-meter long-range visibility that it's perfect for outdoors adventures, and it's really easy to switch between the precision and the focused white laser, which I think that it's perfect. It has a really nice battery that can run up to 8 hours on the low mode, and it's perfect because it has a really nice aircraft grade aluminum body that can withstand extreme weather, drops, and water submersion, which I think that it's perfect. It's perfect for take it with you if you're gonna go camping, hiking, any kind of emergency, as I've said, as it is waterproof, and any kind of long range security that you need to do, which I think that it's really nice. As I've said, with the magnet, it's easy to do any kind of work in your car or any kind of situation where you need it, which I think that it's great. It even has these fluorescent strips that will light up even if you're not using it when it's dark, which I think that it's perfect and makes it really easy to see it when it's nighttime and you need to grab it, which I think that it's really useful. And with the base, you can still have it at your desk as a night lamp or wherever you need it. I think that it's really nice. And overall, I think that it's a really nice, powerful, bright flashlight that can be perfect on any kind of outdoors adventures that you are taking, any camping, which I think that it's really nice. And I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.